Hello guys and welcome back to another video on app hacks. Today we're going to be teaching you how to fix your server error problem in Google Play Store. So whenever you try to open your Play Store, you see the error message that reads server error. So to fix this issue, you'll have to follow simple steps. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is make sure that you're connected to an internet. Either it may be cellular data or your Wi-Fi network. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. If you have that and your Play Store is still not working, go ahead and long press on Play Store, tap on App Info. Now under App Info, you'll be able to see Restrict Data Usage. Tap on it and make sure that either Wi-Fi or mobile data is not selected. After that, tap on OK. Now go ahead and tap on Storage, and under Storage, tap on Clear Data. Under Clear Data, you'll be able to see the option of Clear Cache. Tap on it. Tap on OK to confirm that you want to clear cache. And go ahead and reopen Play Store. This should resolve your issue. However, if it doesn't, then try restarting your phone once and then your problem should be fixed. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.